Hi, folks. My name is Pat Gage, and I am the host of the Commercial Real Estate Investing Mastermind for Multifamily. Please join me on Wednesday, June 30th at 7 p.m. when my special guest will be Charles Seaman. Charles is a native of Brooklyn, New York, that currently resides in Charlotte, North Carolina, and serves as Senior Acquisition Manager and Asset Manager for Three Oaks Management LLC, in which he actively works to locate high-performing multifamily real estate deals throughout the southeast region of the United States. He is responsible for performing all the company's initial underwriting and analysis of these deals, which ultimately determines whether or not, you know, they do the deal or not. It's a good fit for their company. He also is involved with contract negotiations and capital raising to make sure that these deals close. He also remains involved on the asset management side, as well as he also holds weekly folks, underwriting classes free of charge. And he'll talk about that here on the call. Again, that's Wednesday, June 30th at 7 p.m. Come and gather a wealth full of knowledge from Charles and also attend one of his free underwriting sessions that he holds every Saturday. But please join us Wednesday, June 30th at 7 p.m. Eastern. One of my special guests is Charles Seaman. Thank you, folks.